A number of movie theaters within and outside Metro Manila will open their doors tomorrow. What are the guidelines for the reopening of cinemas? Let's revisit them with attorney Don Artes. He is the general manager of the Metro Manila Development Authority. Good morning and thank you for joining us.
Good morning, Ria, and to your televiewers. Good morning.
All right, sir. Metro Manila is under alert level 2. Let's talk about the guidelines under this alert level. First, could you tell us what is the allowable seating arrangement within cinemas?
Well, under alert level 2, the cinemas will be allowed 50% seating capacity, and if they have a safety seal, additional 10%.
All right. So one seat, so 50% capacity, that's, I imagine, one seat apart, right? Is this going to be strictly enforced even among family members? You know, let's say a parent brings their child. Do they really have to sit one seat apart or they can be literally side by side?
Right now, I understand that it will be one seat apart,
All
even
right.
if they are family members, for
Okay.
easy implementation.
Let's talk about face shields. It's been a lot of talk about the face shields. Are they going to get rid of the mandate? Is the mandate going to stay? But is the wearing of face shields going to be required inside cinemas? Because obviously this is something that could interfere with the viewer's, enjoyable experience of a movie.
I think it was cleared by DTI that cinema goers will not be required to wear face shield inside the cinemas while watching.
All right. What about when it comes to eating or drinking? Can we enjoy our snacks and drinks while watching a movie?
No, in the meantime, eating and drinking inside the cinemas will not be allowed.
All right. We know that kids are now allowed inside the mall, so I imagine this also means they're allowed inside the cinemas, of course, as long as the movie that's showing is appropriate for their age.
Yes, they will be allowed so long as the minimum health protocols will be strictly enforced, like wearing a face mask.
Okay, GM, of course, with the ease restrictions, we know that many people are going out. More will be going out as Christmas approaches. At least here in Metro Manila, how many people are you expecting to go to the malls as we move closer to the holiday season?
I think a lot of people will go to the mall, but again, under the alert level system, only 50% capacity will be allowed inside the mall, plus another 10% for if they have safety seal. For outdoors, it will be 70% plus 10% if they have safety seal. So we expect the mall owners to strictly enforce that capacity.
All right, what exactly is this safety seal that you've mentioned?
Safety seal, you have to apply it with the LGU. They have standards to follow, temperature check, um, the vaccination of the employees, and some other restrictions or guidelines that they have to follow in order to get the safety seal of the LGU.
GM, with many more people out of their homes, we know that traffic jams are going to be another holiday reality. Do we know how many vehicles we are expecting to ply the major roads every day, especially during rush hours? And how is the MMDA going to manage this?
During rush hour, it's almost at the pre-pandemic level of 405,000 vehicles a day in EDSA at least. Uh, and we expect that to increase as we open up the economy. But however, the traffic flow is still faster pre-pandemic. Pre-pandemic, it's at 11 kilometers an hour. Now it's still at 23 kilometers an hour, so more than double. I think this is due to the opening of roads, bridges, as well as the bus carousel system. So on the part of MMDA, we implemented several measures, including restrictions on mall hours, holiday sale, and deliveries.
Right. Lastly, Gian, before I let you go, any last reminders to those visiting the malls?
To those visiting the malls, although we have seen decline in the number of COVID cases, we really need to strictly follow the minimum protocol for health and safety, like wearing face mask and face shield, washing of hands, and social distancing, so that the decline will continue and hopefully we'll have a better Christmas.
Definitely. Maraming salamat. That was MMDA General Manager Don Artes.